Hello friends, I have read a lot about achieving a success, and one of the most dominant and appealing proofs for me is the concept of setting a goal and sticking with it until you achieve something significant. It sounds cliche, but bear with me. This isn't just about reaching a milestone. It's about what happens next. The interesting part comes after achieving success. Once you achieve that big success, the subconscious mind locks it and stores it as a blueprint for future success, like a template or a SOP for the next successes. From then on, your subconscious mind becomes your friend, like a greatest ally, guiding you to replicate that success that you did in every new challenge you face. It is as if you have tasted a victory. Nothing else will ever satisfy you in the same way. Psychologists have shown that achieving a goal triggers a natural high, a sense of fulfillment that keeps you motivated and push forward. To be honest, every high achiever knows this truth. Success breeds more success. It is not just about external reward, but the internal transformation, self-improvement that occurs when you reach that specific goal. For example, when I am at the gym, I don't jump straight into my heaviest sets or repetition. I start with the lighter weights, say about 10-15 kilos dumbbells, and do easier sets to warm up and build that momentum. Yes, you heard it right, momentum. This is the key phrase. These initial sets create a foundation that I need both physically and mentally, because it's not about physics, but also the mentally, to push myself harder when it's time to main set, bench press of 150 kilo, or completing a challenging, let's say high intensity interval training routine, let's say. You can apply the same principle in all areas of your life. Let's say you want to advance in your career. Start with specific, manageable, you heard about the SMART goals, yeah? Goal, like completing an online course in a project management, let's say, or mastering a new software tool that's relevant to your job. It might sound cliche again, I'm repeating myself, but that software might be the blueprint for your next success. As you start to see the progress, such as receiving positive feedback from your friends, co-workers, from your boss, or successfully implementing a new process that you learned at work, your mind will crave that sense of accomplishment, and you will naturally be driven to aim higher, perhaps taking a leadership role, maybe becoming a director of that project, even pursuing a promotion on high level, like become a CEO, or making your own business even. Another example, if you are looking to improve your finances, begin by setting a small saving goal. This is for the younger generation, maybe putting aside $100 a month. Once you see that you can consistently save, try increasing it to the next level, $200. These small stones gonna create a big stone that's gonna help you to make your own maybe business that you were putting in your shelf and you were not thinking about. It's all about consistency. Stick with your goals until you achieve that first significant win. That's significant. Once you achieve that one, believe me, it will be like domino effect. It will be momentum. You will copy paste the same thing to every single success. By default, it's gonna come. Believe me, by default, it's gonna come. It's like thinking positively attracts the positivity. The same thing. Success attracts the success. Okay? So let's use this secret sauce of success. Bye.